Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Wendell back here at BrandSmart USA. I'm here to give you another unboxing video, but this time I'm going to do it just a little bit different. I'm going to dive right on in, and I'm going to introduce to you the new Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch electric smooth top range, the first range with air fry. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. The Frigidaire Gallery is the first range with air fry. It uses superheated air and a powerful convection fan to evenly circulate heat around your food, allowing for even distribution on all sides, resulting in crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside taste with little to no oil. From golden brown French fries, crunchy zucchini strips, to pepperoni pizza rolls, it's all of your family favorites without the added fat and oil of deep frying. Air fry makes eating healthier as easy as pressing a button. It has a large 5.4 cubic foot capacity, steam self-cleaning technology, edge-to-edge glass window and front control knobs, temperature probe, provides the ultimate cooking flexibility, and a 30-minute light oven cleaning that's chemical-free, odor-free, and fast. Alright guys, there you have it, the new Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch smooth top range, the first range with air fry, right here at BrandSmart USA.